Mama, your body has done something incredible, bringing life into this world. And now it deserves the gentlest, most natural care. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 herbal remedies that helped me feel stronger, calmer, and more balanced after birth. Whether you're in the tender first weeks postpartum or months into your journey, these tips are for you. So, why are herbal remedies so loved for postpartum recovery? Herbs can gently support your energy, your mood, and even your milk supply without harsh side effects. Plus, they've been trusted by mothers for generations. Let's get right into it. First up, red raspberry leaf tea. This is the OG of postpartum herbs. It's packed with nutrients and can help tone your uterus, ease cramps, and even support your milk flow. I sipped on this daily, and honestly, it just felt like my body was saying thank you. Next, let's talk nettle leaf. If you're feeling wiped out, nettle is your new best friend. It's loaded with iron and minerals that help build your strength back up, especially if you had blood loss during delivery. I love adding dried nettle to tea or even soups for a nourishing boost. For those restless nights, hello, chamomile. This gentle flower helps you relax, sleep deeper, and soothe anxious thoughts. I started winding down with a warm cup each night, and it made those unpredictable newborn hours a little easier. Now, for the mamas wanting to boost milk supply, fenugreek. It's known to help increase milk production. Just be sure to start slow and watch for any tummy troubles in you or baby. Herbal teas or capsules are both great ways to try it. And finally, turmeric. This golden spice is a powerhouse for reducing inflammation and supporting healing. I added it to smoothies, soups, and even warm milk. It's a gentle way to help your body recover from the inside out. A quick reminder: always talk to your doctor or midwife before starting any herbs, especially if you're breastfeeding or taking meds. Your body is unique, and you deserve the safest care. You've got this, Mama. Trust your body, nourish yourself, and let these gentle herbs support your healing journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more postpartum tips. Take care and be gentle with yourself. You're doing amazing.